How's it going, you guys? Does your Grom sound like this? If so, then I have the answer to your problem. So not too long ago, my Grom had some weird grinding sounds. I couldn't figure out what it was really. I looked up some videos and looked on some of the forums and couldn't find too much information. And a buddy of mine had a similar problem on his Grom, and he replaced his clutch springs and his clutch plate. So I went ahead and did that. Ever since, I've not heard it. No grinding, everything's running smooth. The clutch feels a lot better. So I mean, that's what worked for me. I recommend looking into that and maybe giving it a shot, and that really should fix your problem. I'll definitely leave the link below to the springs and the plates. It's not too costly, but yeah, it's definitely worth a shot. It really helped me out in my situation. I hope that fixes your problem, and until next time, have a good one.